Have you ever wondered what the melting point of matter is? That precise moment when a solid decides it's had enough of being rigid and structured and succumbs to the heat, transforming into a liquid. It's a fascinating concept that we encounter in our daily lives, from the melting ice in a glass of water to the sizzling butter on a hot pan. The melting point is the exact temperature at which a solid turns into a liquid. It's the moment when a substance can no longer resist the heat and must change its state. It's a literal turning point, a moment of surrender and transformation. Think about a piece of chocolate. In the chilling environment of your refrigerator, it remains hard, retaining its shape. However, leave it out in the sun and it starts to soften, eventually turning into a gooey mess. That's the melting point in action. Every substance has a unique melting point. For instance, iron melts at a blistering 5,452 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, ice, the solid form of water, has a much lower melting point at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Melting points are not just random numbers. They play a critical role in various aspects of our lives. They help chefs decide the right temperature to cook food. Engineers use them to determine the materials to use in construction. They even guide mountaineers on what gear to wear in freezing temperatures. So, what have we learned today? The melting point is the specific temperature at which a solid turns into a liquid. It's a critical aspect of matter and a key player in various fields from cooking to engineering. Every substance has a unique melting point, and it's this diversity that makes our world a fascinating place full of different materials, each with its own set of properties. So the next time a piece of ice melts in your hand, or you see a candle wax turning into liquid, remember you're witnessing a melting point in action, a simple yet profound concept that governs the world around us.